and welcome for today's video tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to use Google AdWords for lead generation. So first, we will go to Google and search for Google AdWords. Then click the first result. Next, sign in to your account. Now, Google AdWords can be used to create video ad for your business or website or YouTube channel. Now, for this video, we will use it for lead generation. But what is lead generation? Lead generation is the process of attracting prospects to your business and increasing their interest through nurturing, all with the end goal of converting them into a customer. Now, if you want to learn how to use Google Ads to promote your business, so you can watch our previous video on how to use Google AdWords for local businesses. So if you like this kind of video, please click like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.